क्या हमारे पेरेंट्स को बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए? क्या हमारे पेरेंट्स को द न्यू आईफोन इन टाउन, द न्यू पैड इन टाउन, डू दे नीड दैट? वो गाड़ी जो आज मान लीजिए कि आउट ऑफ डेट हो गई है, तो वो एक अजीब सी फीलिंग है, आई एम नो लॉन्गर रेलिवेंट, राइट? एंड बेसिकली 50% हैव सम डिग्री ऑफ लोनलीनेस. 37% ऑफ वुमेन इन दिस कंट्री लीव देयर जॉब. और ये शॉकिंग नंबर है. 80% ऑफ women who exit is because of elder care needs.
हेलो। आज हम बात करेंगे सीनियर केयर के बारे में और टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे इसको हेल्प कर सकता है और व्हाट आवर रोल कैन बी इन दिस. वी विल आल्सो टॉक अबाउट जनरेटिव एआई, व्हाट रोल पॉसिबली इट कैन प्ले इन द फ्यूचर. टुडे वी हैव सौम्यजीत हु ऑपरेट्स इबोहा. So I wanted to understand, like, why did you start startup for elder care? Why not B2B or fintech, anything that is fancy? What actually inspired you to start a startup for elder care?
Kul, thank you so much for first inviting me to the show. It's a pleasure to meet you and be part of this interesting discussion. I think for me, elder care has been a very personal journey. I was not trained to work in elder care, but having spent time in urban planning architecture, I got trained as an architect planner. And then subsequently, for a good 7 years, I was abroad. So for me, it was not that I was wanting to get into elder care, but situations and journeys made this movement get into this space. And for the last 15 years, whether it is as somebody who's helped a lot of senior living developers get into this space, or being part of Antara Senior Living, where I was part of the founding team and built senior living, in Dehradun, and the last 6 years now building Emoha, I have seen the joy and happiness of being able to take care and impact quality of life of elders. And while I was doing all of this, it just happened to be that mom got diagnosed with Alzheimer's. Mom is a school principal, very celebrated school principal in Ranchi, where I grew up. And I could see the challenges that she was going through in India in a suboptimal ecosystem, whether it's healthcare or emergencies and so on. So the power of being able to make an impact where you can actually stitch all of these things together and make an ecosystem of care for every son and daughter to bring more quality of life for their parents is what became very inspirational for me in this journey.
So, a lot of this independence to enjoy the life, it comes usually when, if you see through the, if typical middle class life, if I want to talk about, they will start a job, they will have a baby, by the 40s or 50s, they will have a house, and then eventually the kids will get married, and by the time parents will hang up their boots and they will just, do. But not all the families kind of have that kind of financial security, right? And even in my close families, I have seen, like, uh, parents did not save up enough money, right? And so for them, what, and kids like who know that their parents don't have that, say, pension का benefit नहीं है उनके पास, तो वैसे जनरेशन को आपको, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
You know, हमें अपने आप से पूछना चाहिए कि हमारे पेरेंट्स को क्या चाहिए. क्या हमारे पेरेंट्स को बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए? क्या हमारे पेरेंट्स को द न्यू आईफोन इन टाउन, द न्यू पैड इन टाउन, डू दे नीड दैट? आई डोंट थिंक सो. यू नो हमारे पेरेंट्स उस जॉनर से हैं जिस जॉनर में इंडिया वाज गेटिंग इट्स फीट इन प्लेस. They've gone through independence, they've gone through wars, they've struggled, they've built the country. And today, they are wherever they are, forget money. They want more time. वो चाहते हैं कि वो आपके साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करे. वो चाहते हैं कि उनके बच्चों के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करे. कुछ नए दोस्त हों, उनकी डे टू डे लाइफ बिकम्स मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड दे हैव समथिंग रेलिवेंट टू डू. एज एन वो गाड़ी जो आज मान लीजिए कि आउट ऑफ डेट हो गई है, तो वो एक अजीब सी फीलिंग है, आई एम नो लॉन्गर रेलिवेंट, राइट? Whereas if you can make your parents relevant, ask them that पापा मेरे को ना ऑफिस में ये दिक्कत आ रही है, आप बताइए क्या कर सकते हैं. You'll be surprised. I keep asking my dad even today, and he gives me such beautiful suggestions. And I think we undermine the power of experience. Elders have 60, 70 years, 80 years, 90 years of experience. And today in India, अगर हम as a country, we can join these forces, Young India and Younger India, which is the elders above 60s, I think it's potentially magical, so that those two forces can join together and do something magical. So it doesn't matter about money. I think money is obviously an important aspect. Saving for your retirement, ensuring that they are not fleeced by some cybercrime or other things. Those are things that one has to be watchful of as a son and daughter. But primarily, your elders are not looking at financial stuff. They are looking at how can we have a better quality of time.
Mhm. No, then that even I agree, because even like I'll be honest, even I ask my father a lot of times, for guidance and counseling, and he was one of the first, like he's a very avid supporter, like he wants me to do say for this TSW project which I'm doing. He is very big support, but also I've seen like how we think that our parents are very rigid in what they do or think, but it's not really like that. And I could see changes, in their thought process, how accepting they become. It takes a bit of time for them to change, but I have seen them like becoming a little bit more liberal, more accepting, and letting go of their some of the thought processes. Say for instance, I'll give you one example. Like say my dad, uh, um, he always did jobs, okay, and he always said like we are not meant for businesses or entrepreneurial journalism or entrepreneurship. So he will always discourage me, यार बेटा ये सब हम धंधा वंधा हम लोग से नहीं होगा, business हम लोग से नहीं होगा. And then now I have seen like how he's like
Changed.
changed, and he's like, अरे तुम भी कुछ अपना करो. The thought process now that he's also seeing, and this is one of the misconceptions, like we see that if we give parents enough time and be patient with them, their thought process will change, and where parents and kids also come to the time. So another thing which is very close to this topic is the emotional well-being of parents, right? While I can provide for them anything, right? But if you see that most of the time they are little lonely, right? And if in case most of the seniors, because they have lived a life, now suddenly everything is comes to an halt. And as I talked about like earlier, like how my father struggled a little bit after the retirement, right? So I just wanted to understand, like for someone who is dealing with like a bit of crisis, like what to do next, like what is the motivation to wake up next, because office नहीं जाना, दुकान पे नहीं जाना, etc etc.
नहीं तो ये बहुत again a very relevant point. Let's look at some numbers. So in general, we have today about 140 million senior citizens in the country. This number is going to become 340 million in the next 20-25 years. As in 1 in 10 today are elders, कल को 1 in 5 हो जाएगी. But obviously all of us who are in our 40s and 50s will go to 70s, right? But more importantly, what you have to understand is that 1 out of 4 such elders have falls. 3 out of 4 have chronic issues, and basically 50% have some degree of loneliness. Now, when you don't have, your family members with you, when you have, many of your friends may have passed away. So the question of relevance and the question of what should I do to wake up in the morning becomes very, very powerful. At Imoha, which is built around emotional happiness for an elder, we started looking at it at a very central way, at a very philosophic, holistic manner. That सिर्फ बीमारी को ध्यान मत दो, उन पे ध्यान रखो, holistic रखो, elder centric रखो, कि किस तरह से you look at the human being, you look at the elder. Uncle may have been a senior IAS officer or a veteran from the defense forces. Auntie may have been a teacher, principal, or a homemaker who's created beautiful citizens of this country. How can we understand her and bring her needs and desires out? तो धीरे धीरे ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स मॉर्फ करते करते दो बहुत प्यारी प्यारी चीज़ों में निकली कि एक इमोहा डॉटर है, जो कि आप मानिए कि घर की बेटी बन जाती है, पड़ोस की बेटी है. आई कम फ्रॉम रांची, एंड वहाँ पे रांची बिहार में हम लोग पाड़ा कहते हैं, अड्डा कहते हैं. आसपास के एरिया की जो नेबरहुड की बेटी है, सेम फॉर पंजाब और एनी अदर पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. नाउ दिस इमोहा डॉटर बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर फैमिली. शी इज़ कॉलिंग यू, शी इज़ विजिटिंग यू, शी इज़ कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन यू. जब मैं आपको हर दिन कॉल करूँगा, हमारी जो मोहब्बत है वो बढ़ जाएगी, है कि नहीं कुल? It's the same philosophy. So that's one. Second is, we call it MoTV, which is Ministry of Happiness Television. Mohabbat. Now, at Imoha, इमोहा EMOHA के बीच में मोहब्बत है, MOH है, because it's love and care for parents. MoTV has done now more than 5,000 shows with wonderful elders where they get to learn, where they get to enjoy, and most importantly, meet new friends. So when you meet new friends and they start, asking you questions कि आज तो बड़ा handsome लग रहा है यार, कुल मतलब कुछ तो मतलब different about you. These small things really change the way an elder looks at his day. तो वो सुबह उठ के आज तैयारी कर रहे हैं कि आज शाम को ना मेरा वो ड्रामा क्लब के लिए तैयारी करनी है, और वो अरोड़ा साहब ने बोला था कि आई वांट टू वॉच द शो, तो नाउ दिस आंटी इज़ लाइक डूइंग अ स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन कि आज तो मेरे को ड्रामेटिक शो में एकदम तूफान बनना है. And I think this is what we need. We need our elders to be able to have a life of their own and not just become a babysitter for your children, because they had a life, they had a beautiful life, and it's up to us as sons and daughters to nudge them a little bit. Don't control, nudge. Don't try to say that papa ye karo, papa wo karo. You are not the papa, he is the papa, he is the mama, right? So if we can make them feel relevant, if we can make them do the things that maybe they had a desire to be traveling, maybe उनको बड़ा शौक था कि फोटोग्राफी सीखनी है,
Correct.
कोशिश करके देखो. जैसे मैं आजकल डैड के पीछे पड़ा हूँ कि डैड गिटार क्लासेस करो. आप इतना पहले गिटार बजाते थे एंड देन 30-40 years लाइफ टुक ओवर,
Correct.
जिंदगी की जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स है टेक ओवर लाइफ. हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग गिटार बैक इन योर लाइफ? नाउ दैट्स अ मोटिवेशन फॉर मी. सो इस तरह की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें उनके ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ लाती हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी वांट एज इमोहा, एज सन्स एंड डॉटर्स, एज यंग पीपल इन द कंट्री, बिजी इन आवर ओन करियर्स. सोचिए कितनी खुशी होगी अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आर एजिंग मैग्निफिसेंटली, खुशी से एज कर रहे, एंजॉय कर रहे, एवरी मोमेंट इज एंजॉयड. दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट.
So, you know, has working in this space, and so more like more I think about all these senior citizens, and in family I've seen people age and how their aura and how they have evolved as personalities, how they have become like I've seen people who are very angry young men, and now I see them like calm like a saint, and you know but then this also as person, as a someone like as an individual, does it change your own outlook towards aging maybe? Say for instance, I'm so afraid of getting old and alone, I'll be very honest, मुझे इस बात से बहुत डर लगता है कि मैं अकेला और बूढ़ा हो जाऊं तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मतलब आई हैव नो आंसर्स टू माई सेल्फ.
सो टू थिंग्स. वन, आई थिंक 2 मिनट के लिए सोचते हैं कि हमारे दुनिया में जो जितने भी एल्डर्स हैं
करेक्ट.
डिलीट कर देते हैं. जस्ट माइंड थिंक, यू प्रेस अ बटन एंड ऑल एल्डर्स आर गॉन. कैसा अजीब सा दुनिया होगा ना, कि कोई बोलने के लिए नहीं है आपको कि बेटा आज ऑफिस कैसा रहा. जब हम छोटे थे ना ये था. स्मॉल लर्निंग्स, एक्सपीरियंसेस, और कुछ नहीं तो इट्स अ शोल्डर दैट यू कैन सिट एंड टॉक अबाउट. there's a reason why elders are there in this world, and there's a beautiful book by American author Dr. Bill Thomas, who's written a book, Why Do We Have Elders in the World? An elder is like a library. हर elder, doesn't matter what his background is, एक किताब के तरह है, और वो किताब में ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें लिखी हैं जो उनकी ज़िंदगी के एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, उनकी ज़िंदगी की सारांश है. एंड दोज वंडरफुल वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम आर एज रेलेवेंट टू अस टुडे एज इट वॉज टू हिज लाइफ 20 years बैक. तो आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में अगर कहा खुशियाँ चाहिए तो ये एक्सपीरियंसेस आपको भी फ़ायदा दे सकती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द पावर ऑफ हैविंग एल्डर्स इन द वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज दे हैव लिव्ड द वर्ल्ड दैट यू आर अबाउट टू लिव. एंड देयरफॉर इफ़ यू आर एबल टू ब्रिंग दैट कनेक्शन डीपर, जो हम कहते हैं इंटर जनरेशनल सोसाइटी, अगर हम एल्डर्स और यंगस्टर्स को ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा जोड़ सकते हैं तो youngsters will find more maturity. Youngsters will find it easy to be able to deal with, I think, some of the challenges that society, the stresses that society puts on us. तो एल्डर बोलेगा कोई नहीं बेटा, लगा रहे तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कर रहा है ना, पीछे मत हट, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, तू बता मेरे को क्या हेल्प चाहिए, मैं टाइप करूँगा, भले टाइपिंग नहीं आता हो, मैं टाइप करूँगा, मैं लिखूँगा. And you need that little bit of an extra nudge and a little extra love and care that an elder brings to the table. So I think the power of having elders being able to, be there and be around really transforms the way youngsters can learn from elders. Lots of things to learn.
So, can you share some, like, any moments or some interactions you had with elderly people, or even of your age or younger? Can you share some anecdotes with us?
Sure. No, I'll tell about a very dear elder of mine. His name is Bisham. So, Bisham, if you're watching this, it's just because I love you very much. So, Bisham is one of our dearest elders, has been in Pune, and unfortunately lost his family, 2 years back, 3 years back. And then, I have been so inspired with Bisham, stays alone in Pune, in his own apartment. And you know what? This gentleman was lonely. He was alone. And over a period of time, इमोहा में रह के इमोहा के एक्टिविटीज़ एंड इमोहा डॉटर और मोर टीवी, इन सब चीज़ों से उनकी दोस्ती और यारी इतनी अच्छी बन गई कि ही स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट लेंस अगेन. हमारे वर्ल्ड में ऐसे लाखों नहीं करोड़ों ऐसे विषम हैं जो who were lost and who are now finding it so meaningful to come back in life. But what is more important is Bishams decided to teach young people. He was a CEO of a large company. He was one of the masters in welding. Okay. And he was also a master of one of a company जहाँ पे ये आपको किताब पता है वो जो किताब बेचते थे एडुकेशनल बुक्स विच आर टाइम सीरीज और वो सीरीज बच्चों को बेचते थे. So he was somebody who was looking after that business. And Bisham today teaches young children on his own accord. It keeps him busy. It makes the children more happy. And together they are, kind of taking care of each other. So I feel people like Bisham who potentially are lonely with a little nudge and support and love and care from organizations like Imoha can do so much more and we can all benefit from it. I'll take another example. A lady who is taking care of her husband and her husband suffers from dementia, Alzheimer's. तो हमारे देश में रफली अबाउट 6.5% जो एल्डर्स हैं उनको न्यूरो डिजेनरेटिव डिजीज़ हैं, अल्जाइमर्स, डेमेंशिया के अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स हैं. नाउ समबडी हु इज़ अ केयर टेकर जो अपने हस्बैंड को या वाइफ को टेक केयर कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए केयर गिवर स्ट्रेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो इफ़ यू आर समबडी एज अ सन एंड डॉटर and your parents are going through, one of them or both of them are going through stress, the whole situation becomes even more difficult. So for the lady who's taking care of the husband may have dementia, like my mom has dementia and my father is the primary caretaker. Very important to take care of the father. मदर तो है ही, हेल्थ केयर सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स, डॉक्टर विजिट्स वो सब तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, बट इमोशनल वेलनेस फॉर द फादर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इस तरह की जो सिचुएशंस हैं वेयर एल्डर्स लाइक बिशम, एल्डर्स लाइक द आंटी आई टॉक्ड अबाउट, who are not giving up on life. They are reliving life. They are taking a day, day by day, and are reinventing their life post 60s. I think they are the elders we are very very inspired to serve, because at Imoha we believe that if we can make a change in such elders' life, obviously in partnership with their sons and daughters, there is no greater joy than that.
Okay. uh, so you mentioned sons and daughters. So also I want to point out, like, say, from our point of view, not say I was just personally, like, I'm asking my point. So if you think me of as a template, say I'm like a sandwich generation. I'm also taking care of a father. I'm also taking care of a kid. I have EMIs to pay, loans and everything. My time is distributed. I'm sure I'm working, say for instance, I'm working 10 hours, 12 hours a day, right? And I might not have that kind of time and energy. And God forbid, if I'm working at a very terrible, toxic company, I might not even have that too, right? So, from our generation point of view, where we are, you know, handling both of the things, how what should we do to ensure our parents don't feel lonely? And how to ensure that they are happy and they also understand our problems. So what should we do?
So पहली बात तो ये है कि the fact that you are thinking of that nature is not uncommon. We across the country, मतलब लिटरली हमारे आज के दिन में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पार्टनर्स हैं. जैसे इंडसइंड बैंक है जो कि इंडस केयर नाम की एक प्रोडक्ट लेके आई है जो कि बेसिकली यंग पीपल कैन टेक इन अ डेबिट कार्ड सोल्यूशन विच इज़ फॉर सीनियर सिटीजन्स. या आदित्य बिरला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है या SIS group company. So a lot of companies were working closely with us as Imoha, working with sons and daughters. Now, more sons and daughters who are busy in their life, and it's normal to be busy. We we think that it is possible to take care of those moments when moments matter. रात को 2 बजे इमरजेंसी होती है ना, और वो हर बंदे ने कुछ ना कुछ अपना एक इकोसिस्टम बना के रखा है, होपिंग दैट द इकोसिस्टम विल वर्क. Now, haven't we all seen it during COVID? कि नहीं चलता भाई, doesn't work. So, having an institutional partner who has today saved more than 1,000 lives, we have more than 15,000 ambulances across the country. आप रात दिन जब भी phone करें, doctors are available. See, people don't die or have major accidents because of the situation. It's because of data. Half the time, sons and daughters would not have the medical profile of their parents readily available. You know, when they are being wheeled into the ambulance into the hospital and the doctor is asking you tens of questions, हो सकता है आप बोलोगे कि sorry मुझे नहीं पता है. You know, and that is what causes a difficult situation.
True.
So I think for sons and daughters who are today realizing that, you know, I don't want to accept this, I want to do something. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि बहुत सारा पैसा खर्च करना है, मतलब even if it is a small amount of number, as much amount of money that you will spend in a, you know, in a coffee, but to have basic access to quality of care, basic access to, you know, how do you take care of emergencies, I think the game changes. And most importantly, Kul, I think the biggest challenge and the opportunity is for young NOKs, next of kin. जो लोग आज अपने 25 से 35-40 साल के एज पे हैं, the opportunity is the biggest for them. जो लोग 40, 45, 50 में हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी 70s, 80s में जा चुके हैं. जिनके जो 50s, 60s में हैं, जिनके पेरेंट्स 90s में हैं, तो you can see that we call it like the low care to medium care to high care, or very independent elders to partially dependent elders to fully dependent elders. My recommendation to sons and daughters who are in their young age is to start now. Because अगर आप आज start कर सकते हैं, तो हो सकता है कि you can make their, you know, aging much more beautiful. You know, you can reinvent their life. You can help sensors in the home. You can make their home much more emergency safe. जिनकी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो चुकी है, जो कि पेरेंट्स कैंसर हैं या डेमेंशिया है या कोई बीमारी है, देयर यू नीड द क्लिनिकल रिगर, यू नीड द जेरियाट्रिक मॉनिटरिंग रिगर, दोनों चाहिए. बट आई थिंक गिवन यंग इंडिया इज इन द 25 to 35, 40-50% हमारी जो पॉपुलेशन है वो यंग है, उनके पेरेंट्स का जो नज़र है वो आज के दिन में ब्लाइंड है. दे आर नॉट अवेयर, दे फील दैट हाँ मॉम एंड डैड है ना, वो रांची में है, पटना में है, वो अपना आप कर रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ द डेंजर. बिकॉज जब आप उस टाइम पे पकड़ सकते हो, लाइक इफ समबडी वुड हैव कम एंड टोल्ड मी 15 years बैक दैट सौम्यजीत please get your mom checked because your nani had, you know, Alzheimer's, so there is a chance that your mom could also have. I would have been a little bit more watchful. I was busy in my career. आप समझ रहे हो? So the ability for us to make an impact is the most when you are in your 20s and 30s, when your parents are in their late 50s and 60s. And every passing 10 years, the ability to make a change reduces. So with various solutions, with various, you know, simple things, you can get in more safety, more health, more convenience, day-to-day convenience, and most importantly, how can you make it more active? Because activities can keep them busy.
So now it'd be great if you can talk about. So if you have to explain in simpler terms, what is Imoha, and what are the key services it provides, and what is the objective of the entire platform?
So Imoha and Epoch are two companies, sister companies, part of what we call as Age Care Platform. Age Care Platform is a beautiful platform that was created between myself and Loomis Partners, which is our co-promoter and private equity investor. And Imoha today has become India's most respected geriatric care platform. It's a platform where it has been created by founding team members who have spent all their life in the US, in India, building elder care protocols. Because we worked in senior living, we worked using technology, we've used protocols. We also believe that it has to be hyper local. आपके घर के आसपास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये जो एल्डर केयर का वर्ल्ड है ये ऐप नहीं है, ऐप है बट सिर्फ ऐप नहीं है. The technology, monitoring systems, the MoTV programs that we watch on the app, these are great things. But जिस दिन अंकल आंटी गिर के चोट लग जाएगी या उनको घर में लोनली फीलिंग हो रही है, beyond a point of time, app cannot do anything. So Imoha created an ecosystem of care where through Imoha Daughters, through Defense Force veterans who become community managers and care buddies, through a lot of clinical monitoring and geriatric monitoring, we are able to help elders today, more than 100,000 elders now, and soon it will touch about 1 million elders, कि अपने घर में ही रहो. 120 सिटीज़ में हमारी सर्विसेज अवेलेबल है. आप अपने घर में रह के यू कैन डायल अप एंड यू कैन टेक अ प्लान विच इज़ मोस्ट closest to the desires and needs you have. Because every elder is unique and every son and daughter is also unique. तो हमने देखा कि कुछ कुछ sons and daughters are very very they are like they go way beyond to see what we can do to make their parents better, and some sons and daughters don't care. We obviously urge everybody to care and look at how they can look at plans, look at different type of subscription plans, different type of value added services, chronic care monitoring programs, add-on programs, so that if they have dementia early stage, or if they have kidney disease, or if they have any diabetes, together we can make their life much more meaningful. Imoha today has not just become the partner of choice for sons and daughters, but it's also a partner of choice for large enterprises, insurance companies, healthcare groups, hospitals, because साथ में we can do much more. We also have a lot of entrepreneurs who want to become partners of Imoha and set up local Imoha practices. These are senior clinicians, senior doctors जो कहते हैं कि हमारे प्रैक्टिस में बहुत एल्डर्स हैं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, बट आई वुड लव टू सेट अप अ प्रैक्टिस एन Imoha practice and Imoha can manage it for me. So we are seeing these beautiful beautiful threads where across the length and breadth of the country, from Cochin to Jammu to Guwahati to Calcutta, Bombay, Bangalore, all major cities, today sons and daughters have a choice, which was not there before. Today they have a choice that they can they can, like a music synthesizer, they can dial up कि मेरे को और सेफ्टी करना है, मेरे को और हेल्थ केयर बढ़ाना है, मेरे को अंकल एंड माय पेरेंट्स के लाइफ मेरे को और कन्वीनियंट बनाना है. आई वांट देम टू हैव पिकनिक्स, आई वांट देम टू हैव ट्रैवल्स, चाहे चारधाम यात्रा हो, चाहे मकाऊ की यात्रा हो, जॉइंटली जाओ. बट इमोहा की ट्रिप में जब जाते हैं साथ में नर्स भी जाती है, उनकी क्लिनिकल रिकॉर्ड्स भी साथ में होता है. हम ऐसे होटल में रुकते हैं जहाँ पे एल्डर फ्रेंडली होटल है, आसपास के हॉस्पिटल्स टाई अप करते हैं. कौन करता है ये सब चीज़ें? ये वो लोग करते हैं एज सन्स एंड डॉटर्स हु केयर.
So, I want to also understand ये छोटे like I understand like in metro cities there will be a lot of awareness around it, discoverability will also be there, but say if in smaller towns like say पटना हो या रांची हो या कानपुर हो या नागपुर हो या लखनऊ, फॉर इंस्टेंस ऑल दीज सिटीज़ जहाँ पे इन सब चीज़ों की शायद ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हो
करेक्ट.
as compared to metropolitan cities, because this I'm trying to not generalize, but you understand what I'm trying to say.
करेक्ट. सो यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड, हमारे देश में मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ में हुआ क्या है. लेट्स लुक एट द कंट्री. यंग पीपल, लाइक आई ग्रो अप इन रांची, I came to Delhi, did my urban planning architecture, solar planning and architecture many years back. So for me, there are millions of such sons and daughters who left their towns and cities and have come to major metropolitan cities in lieu of work.
Correct.
Who got left behind?
Parents.
Parents.
Correct.
Who have they left their parents in control of? Friends, relatives.
Correct.
And something that is very truly Indian, jugaad. Now that doesn't work beyond a point of time. So we have seen that smaller towns today have lack of access to quality healthcare.
Correct.
You could do a lot of consultation today online. Technology allows for a lot of things to happen in the last mile. And I am very proud to share with you that Imoha is today growing faster in tier 3, tier 4 towns. I'm not even saying tier 1 and 2. Than the tier 1 and 2. We are seeing expansion happening in small places, Alwar, Belgaum, obviously Cochin is a major city, but Siliguri, Silchar, and I love it because that's where the care is the most broken. We keep saying छोटे शहर में तो ना पूरी जो कम्युनिटी है वो टेक केयर करती है.
Correct.
जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है We know what the stories are. So for them to have the power that there is ambulance which can come at any point of time, there's a local Imoha daughter who's visiting them, taking care of them, local doctors hain who are taking care of their records. And at any point of time, the Imoha ecosystem through its technology and monitoring systems are taking care of things. It's peace of mind.
Correct.
If you're working in a bank in Bombay and your parents are in Kanpur, you need that peace of mind. So if a corporate is seeing a lot of absenteeism, and particularly women, by the way, 37% of women in this country leave their job. और ये shocking number है. मतलब I was speaking to a CEO of a large company and he was agreeing that a lot of women in their company, they were seeing people exiting. Why? 80% of women who exit is because of elder care needs. Now, is that something we are acceptable? मतलब पढ़े लिखे, women in this country and millions of such women. Why would we want them to move out just because of elderly care needs? Why can't we build the elderly care infrastructure in such a way
Correct.
that they can continue working and their parents can also be happy? So corporates are now starting to wake up to this reality that, and building it as part of their diversity, equity, inclusion agenda, that can we bring in, elder care, ageism as part of the day-to-day narrative. ताकि जो सन्स एंड डॉटर्स हैं पर्टिकुलरली 30s 40s में हैं उनको बेनिफिट मिले, एब्सेंटिज्म कम हो. आई कॉल इट हैंड ब्रेक. हैंड ब्रेक का मतलब क्या है कि मेरे को ना करियर आगे नहीं बढ़ाना है. आई एम वेरी फाइन बिकॉज मैं घर को 6:30 बजे जानी है क्योंकि मेरे घर में इन-लॉज हैं. That's not right. We are preventing possibility of a lot of people to go up the career.
Correct.
So future is, I believe, younger cities, younger towns where Imoha local practices can come up by prominent Fauji's, veterans, doctors who can set up local Imoha practices. We do a lot of things to promote entrepreneurs to become local, entrepreneurs. We call them elderpreneurs, elder care entrepreneurs. And together, the whole engine works better.
So there is a fair bit of tech in Imoha also, and you have mentioned
Correct.
it as well. So for our audience also, it will be great if you can just give us a walkthrough of what are the tech under the hood and how do you see it evolve?
So, technology at Imoha is the bedrock of what we do. As in, let's say, your mom is in her 60s or 80s, whatever, doesn't matter. But the moment somebody becomes part of the Imoha ecosystem, we have a very comprehensive work management system which is designed in-house and which basically captures all records, all day-to-day interactions, all, requests by the elder, starting from simple things like medical records to prescriptions to, any request they've placed. But more importantly, it allows the elder to raise an alarm when there is an emergency. So whether it is sensors, panic alarm buttons, whether it is making the home more sensor enabled, these are things you can add on to your basic plans. And we've seen more than 1,000 lives getting saved. At what cost? Hardly any cost, right? वैसे भी, when it comes to parents, what is cost? Doesn't matter. But at the same time, technology also plays a very important role in engagement. The fact that more than 5,000 programs got done on MoTV means elders अपने घर में अपने बेड से बैठ के across the country और elders के साथ communicate कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे की leg pulling कर रहे हैं. सुबह 8 बजे योगा की सेशन होती है, उसमें मैं कितनी बार बोला हूँ कि अंकल आंटी चालू कर देते हैं सेशन. पहले आधा घंटा तो एक दूसरे के साथ हंसी मजाक करते हैं, which is good, which is how it should be. Otherwise, they would be just, kind of doing nothing at home.
Correct.
So technology forms the core in emergency. It forms the core in health monitoring. It forms the core in engagement activities and also partnerships. So whether we are partnered, like we are actively working with IndusInd Bank or with Aditya Birla Health Insurance or SIS Group for, a lot of the Go Secure product, which is basically for any emergency across the country. All of these things are powered by technology. Without technology, the ability to do consistent service in a care-centric manner with the elder being in the center is not possible. Plus, how do you get young people to get to know about elder care?
Correct.
हम सब Google में, Facebook में, Instagram में, we keep, watching things. But I think we've been able to create a very good awareness and a discovery platform where sons and daughters can come to the Imoha website and they can also learn कि how can I bring more safety in an elder's home. मैं अपने parents के घर में क्या कर सकता हूँ?
Correct.
पता ही नहीं है अभी, तो धीरे धीरे जैसे पता चलेगा,
Mhm.
टेक्नोलॉजी हेल्प्स देम इन प्लानिंग दोज
Mhm.
एस्पेक्ट्स एज वेल.
So, just a follow up on this is that that this tech has to be a little bit simpler, because while I understand that, say for instance, our parents might not be that tech savvy also, right? Though I think that they are tech savvy. If I think, I think senior citizens are more using Facebook and
That
WhatsApp
is true.
video calls. So I don't, and maybe YouTube voice search and all these things. But still, it has to be a little bit less complicated. So do you customize your service tech in a manner that it is easier for them to understand and use also?
So, my chief product officer, somebody who's pretty much created a lot of the systems and tech and concepts at Imoha, a lady called Sama Beg, who's specialized in geriatric care, was in the US. And when we started, she came on board to become part of the founding team. So, Sama basically put together about 25 elders who didn't want to have anything to do with technology as part of the product design extension team. तो उन्हीं लोगों से, उन्हीं के सजेशन से इमोहा की ऐप बनी. तो हमारे ऐप इज़ नॉट अ मिलेनियल ऐप. मिलेनियल ऐप में आपको जो OTP है ना, वो हम सोचते भी नहीं OTP डाल लेते हैं. वी स्पेंड काउंटलेस आवर्स डिजाइनिंग OTP बिकॉज एल्डर्स को OTP नेविगेट करने में दिक्कत आ रही थी.
Correct.
आप बाकी स्क्रीन तो दूर की बात है. तो इट्स अबाउट द थिंकिंग, इट्स अबाउट डिजाइन थिंकिंग, इट्स अबाउट हाउ डू यू थिंक फ्रॉम अ लेंस ऑफ एन एल्डर दैट अंकल आंटी को यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए, हाउ कैन वी रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. हम कहते हैं सिंगल क्लिक साइन ऑन. In the experience of coming onto the Imoha app, or for that matter, interacting with Imoha, I'm not saying app is one of the ways. It could be the Imoha daughter, it could be the app, it could be a call. But how do you make it simple is something which is a core value within the Imoha value proposition. तो आपको दिखेगा Imoha के ऐप में, and anybody can download the app, join the community. एक रेड बटन है इमरजेंसी के लिए, और एक ब्लू बटन है अगर कोई हेल्प चाहिए. हम लाइफ को इससे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं करना चाहते. वी वॉन्ट टू मेक इट सिंपल सो दैट एन एल्डर कैन डाउनलोड द ऐप, डू इट, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी डोंट पुश द ऐप. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, कॉल योर इमोहा डॉटर. शालिनी वैसे ही आपको दिन में 2 बार कॉल करती है, हंसी मजाक करती है, आज अंकल ये मूवी रिलीज हो रही है, जा रहे हो कि नहीं जा रहे हो. दैट इज द फन एंड अफेक्शन एंड मोह, एज वी से, which is able to stitch the whole thing. We don't push technology, but technology is the serving core which is enabling the whole thing to happen.
Okay. So, have you also considered, at some point implementing, say, generative AI, having an Gen AI based emotional companion who could understand the context and also interact in a manner, and also maybe have local languages, say हिंदी में बात कर सके, या फिर कोई भी अपना इंडिया का जो भी लोकल लैंग्वेज है उसमें बात करे, कॉन्टेक्स्ट को भी समझे. मतलब वो सिर्फ ऐप खोल कर दे कुड इवन हैव अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन, दे कुड प्रिपेयर फॉर सम इवेंट कि यार मुझे आज पोएम सुनाना है, या फिर मे बी सम कुछ आज आज मैं कोई मील बनाना चाहता हूँ, या think of like kind of an Alexa, but in a much more refined and much more nuanced way.
बहुत अच्छी बात है कुल. एंड आप सोचिए कि किस तरह की यूज़ केसेस हैं. एक अंकल जो अपने वाइफ को मिस करती हैं बिकॉज वाइफ हैज़ पास्ड अवे. द जनरेटिव AI could be somebody who's talking in the same context, same tonality, and same way of interacting with uncle. And I'm talking of a use case which is an extreme use case. A regular use case is medicines. The reality is most of our elders forget to take their medicines on time.
Correct.
और ये इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है नहीं. मतलब when a doctor has given a prescription, I know a lot of elders जो 5 साल 10 साल पहले डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला था वही मेडिसिन लिए जा रहे हैं,
Correct.
जबकि वो कब बंद कर देना चाहिए था. किसी ने बोला नहीं, वो चले जा रहे हैं मेडिसिन. एंड सन एंड डॉटर इज बिजी इन देयर ओन लाइफ. पॉलीफार्मेसी इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस विद एल्डर्स. पॉलीफार्मेसी मतलब बहुत सारे एल्डर्स बहुत सारे मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे कोई एक सिंगल जनरल फिजिशियन की कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है.
Correct.
एंड पीपल गो टू मल्टीपल डॉक्टर्स, सबकी दवाइयाँ आ जाती हैं, और कौन एक बंदा जो सारी दवाइयों को देख रहा है कि व्हाट इज द क्रॉस सॉल्ट्स एंड देयर चैलेंजेस. So AI has the power to be able to see the context, see the pattern, understand the elder and their needs specifically, and cross over to do it completely as a AI bot. But I feel the power is to be able to do it along with the human. So if Shalini the human
Hmm.
can be enabled and powered by the bot
Hmm.
and be able to see the data in a pattern that
Hmm.
she is able to influence uncle and auntie's needs better,
Hmm.
she can serve more elders better.
Hmm.
Today, Shalini serves about 40 elders,
Hmm.
but with a strong AI engine, with a strong contextual data,
Hmm.
it can serve more in a better way. And I think, therefore, as Emoha prospers, as Emoha grows to the next level, the fact that we have a massive amount of data from daily interactions to their MoTV programs, to their emergencies, to their family members, to insurance, to consumption, that data is the bedrock for AI tomorrow. You know, हम इंश्योरेंस की बात कर रहे थे थोड़ी देर पहले बिफोर वी गॉट स्टार्टेड. Elders don't have good quality insurance.
Correct.
Why? Because of data. So tomorrow, as we have better quality of data, and a young elder can actually benefit because he's taking good care of himself, he's got health monitoring in their life, they can have a lesser premium. So AI can actually transform a lot of these things. And as we progress, I'm certain that we will have core AI modules built into our platform.
So from what I understand, like AI could be the backbone, not just a companion conversational app, but also to build multiple applications that would like intersect with health, mental
Yeah,
health,
बिल्कुल.
emergency services, or data, and anything that brings
मैं एक
collects
और यूज
data,
केस की
right?
बात करता हूँ. वीव सीन, कहते हैं ना कि बर्ड्स ऑफ अ फेदर फ्लॉक टुगेदर,
Correct.
कहते हैं ना. तो हम सबके एक पास्ट है विच कनेक्ट्स अस टुगेदर.
Correct.
सो व्हेन यू हैव लेट्स से टू हैव विद 1 मिलियन एल्डर्स इन द प्लेटफॉर्म, जो लोग फौजी बैकग्राउंड से हैं, जो लोग क्लिनिकल बैकग्राउंड से हैं, कोई एक ही शहर से हैं, कि मेरी एक पोस्टिंग थी असम में, आई वाज देयर इन असम टुगेदर, तो जो लोग असम में साथ में थे उनकी दोस्ती अच्छी होती है.
Correct. Correct.
इसको आइस ब्रेकर भी कह सकते हैं. When algos are able to understand commonalities in background, in pattern, those can help nudge people together into directions where they can become friends with each other faster.
Correct.
So there are lots of use cases where longitudinal data, episodic data can be played in a much better way. और ये सब, as a customer, you don't need to worry about it. That is our design team, that's our product and technology team, that's our operations team. But it will help quality of care go up.
Correct. So before we wrap, I just want to ask, like, what is your vision for Emoha, and how do you see it evolve, diversify in the near future?
See, Emoha is a very personal subject. It's about every son and daughter wanting to do and take care of their parents in a way that they can age magnificently in their own life, in their own home. हर बच्चा चाहता है कि अपने माँ बाप को वो एक खुशहाली दे सके जो कि वो खुद उसको मिला हुआ है. व्हेन वी वेर किड्स, आवर पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू से, व्हेन वी वेर लिविंग द होम, खुश रहो बच्चा, बोलते थे ना. टुडे वी हैव स्टेप्ड आउट, बट वी हैव टू नाउ कम बैक एंड से टू आवर पेरेंट्स, खुश रहो पापा. But how will we do that? The vision is to be able to see how we can do it in a sustainable manner, in a manner which is able to make the business sustainable, have a financially rich model where the engine is able to operate and have presence across 500 micro markets in the country. So I see the next 2 years where today India 120 cities we are already present in the 2G coverage, as we say, where emergency healthcare सब कुछ coverage है. In about 30 cities, we have what we call as 5G coverage.
Correct.
In the telecom equivalent, where hyper local neighborhood में हम लोग present है. तो उससे क्या होता है कि the quality of care goes even up, response becomes even more richer. By the end of this year, we are looking at 100 such neighborhoods across all major cities getting that kind of 5G coverage. And all of them manned by local entrepreneurs who are from senior clinicians, ICU doctors, veteran care, for Gs and so on. उससे क्या होता है कि elder care will no longer become this macro subject. Elder care is a neighborhood subject, but it should be backed with the best of technology, the best of geriatric care, and most importantly, the best human beings in town. Elder care is not a subject which is, it also requires a good heart. It requires good people who want to care for elders in the country. So if there is people who want to do the best for elders, I think those are the kind of people who we would love to see, joining Emoha as team members, as entrepreneurs, and together we can make lives of millions of elders in the country better. That is what we dream for. Since it has already touched so many lives in a positive way, the next 2 years we want to go at a very fast pace, but keeping the quality of care and keeping the the systems of care intact.
Thank you so much for taking out time today. And it was lovely conversation. And also, I got to learn a lot of new things. Thank you for great insights. And I would like to wish Team Imoha the very best.
Well, thank you so much. I think it's been a pleasure to share more. And as they say that you share because you care, right? So the more we get to know about what we can do for our parents, the more that opportunity to do is there with you till you can. क्योंकि एक टाइम पे पेरेंट्स नहीं रहेंगे साथ में, तो जब तक हैं उनकी ज़िंदगी में जो बदलाव है वो आपके हाथ में है. एंड वी एट इमोहा आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू इन दैट जर्नी.
Great.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.